spaghetti ako dun nakalimutan. Salamat talaga nandito si mama aking official Zumba or photographer. Ganda na yun.
是我。
Maniwala kang kaya mo. From 4 years old to 84, we can make your life colorful. Decide this is my life, I must be free. Cause I am me, you can't be me. And I am beautiful, I am strong, I am brave, I can do more, I am unique, I am blessed, I am loved, I am deserved, I can inspire. Yesterday I wasn't sure, I am scared of people, but hey, don't ignore. Today I am here, standing tall, I am sure, and not scared anymore. I am smart, I am loud, I am powerful, I am young, I am hopeful, I am wonderful, I am smart, I am tell. I don't care what others
in her school. Aside from her talent in modeling, she is also an aspiring singer. She wanted to become a doctor someday.
I believe that the beautiful things you can wear is your confidence. My advocacy is about empowering young girls to believe in themselves and their abilities. Because when we believe, we can achieve anything. And I thank you.
Riley Garcia is a young indie actress who also gained awards from modeling competitions in Taiwan. She wants to become a successful actress and model, and in her free time, she loves dancing and vlogging because she likes to share her joy, creativity, and confidence.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley Garcia, and I believe that little steps in the runway can lead to big dreams in life. Thank you.
Gabriel Hans Ravello is an 8-year-old girl who loves singing and dancing. She is cheerful, talented, and enjoys expressing herself through music and movement. She dreams to becoming a doctor someday.
My name is Gabriel Hansberg Rebel. Naniniwala ako, lahat ng tao ay mahal ng Diyos.
John Alex Ravello loves playing basketball, badminton, and video games. Our cheerful and active young model wants to become a pilot in the future.
My name is John Alex Binibilo. 11. Naniniwala ako sa kasabihan. Ang mga ng Diyos.
Julia Micaela Cordero is currently a grade 7 student who loves expressing her creativity through animation and digital art. She is proud to have won an art competition, which inspired her to continue exploring her artistic talents. Today, she is excited to showcase her confidence, creativity, and love for passion.
Julia Micaela Cordero, and I am 12 years old. And I love digital art, and I believe that you should be yourself no matter what.
Maria Angela Manaban is a passionate singer and member of their school music band and church choir. Angela dreams of becoming a psychologist in the future, with a goal of helping people understand their thoughts and emotions. With her talent in music and her big dreams, she continues to work hard to achieve her goals.
I'm Maria Angela, 18 years old. I believe that smile is a small act, but with a big impact. And I
Maurice Mendoza is a dedicated public school English teacher with 5 years of experience inspiring and guiding her students in their learning journey. Passionate about language and literature, she strives to to create meaningful and engaging learning experience in the classroom. In her free time, she enjoys watching K-dramas and listening to heartfelt love songs, which allow her to relax and recharge.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Person. I believe that every stitch tells a story, and every step on this runway carries hope for a brighter and more stylish tomorrow. I thank you.
Rian Raro is a student athlete and school volleyball player. She is mastering the guitar and drums while showcasing her unique fashion sense. An inspiring psychologist, she steps out today with grace and a world-class spirit.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rian Raro, and I believe that mistakes doesn't define a person who they are, but rather it is a trial and an opportunity to change oneself. And I thank you.
Tracy Francisco is a top student in school. She is consistent gadget representative of her school. She loves cosplaying and aspires to become a successful model.
My name is Tracy Francisco, 15, and I believe that fashion empowers people to stand out and be proud of who they are. Thank you.
Ciara Faye Magat Baculio is a professional caregiver whose heart is as compassionate as her voice. She is also a vocalist and a dancer, performing in events and high-end bistros. She loves biking, playing badminton, and staying fit. A bride of Misamis Oriental and Imus Kabut Cavite, Ciara Faye.
Hi, hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Cheryl Faye Baculio Revelo from Misamis Oriental, and now recently at Imos Cavite. And I am single woman, and I believe that all single women deserve respect. Me, as a single woman, I hurt and I love the people that they hurt me. But I believe that God is there for me. Thank you so much.
Denver Oden is aerospace officers with Best Duty and Life Award. She wants to be a United Nations officer. Aside from modeling, she also loves reading and dancing.
Pleasant evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Rian Drexler, 16 years old, from Bangor, Cavite. And I'm aiming for bridging cultures, strengthening bonds, and fostering global unity. Once again, I am Rian Drexler with a passion for global peace. And I thank you.
Olive Grace Nagrosa is an aspiring international model and beauty queen and and a top performer customer service representative. She loves modeling and is focused on her goal to earn a spot in the fashion industry. She loves working out, listening to classical music, and watching ASMR videos.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Olive Grace Negrosa, 28. I believe in the saying that embracing solitude means being at peace, reflection, and growth. I thank you.
Is a second-year psychology student who wants to become a psychologist to help poor people with their mental disorders. Is third Dynamism 2025 of St. Dominic College of Asia, Best Introduction Number and Best in Casual Wear. He is also the poster-making champion of Bacoor Private Schools in 2017. He loves singing and dancing and jamming with his band.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Ram Joseph Cacapas, 19, and I believe that our government should implement laws against bullying, corruption, and hazing. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Zumba Core models and now, may we call on first the founder of Zumba Core Dance and Art Studio, Ramona Capapas, or Teacher Ram, is a professional visual artist, art and English teacher, talent coach, dance instructor, performer, and composer. She represented the Philippines in the postal flag competition in Switzerland and won several awards in on-the-spot poster making and writing competition. She was a member of the Philippine Folk Act. She won CTE at its showtime in 2012. She was featured in Kapuso Mo Jessica Soho for Tagalog version of Call Me Maybe, and also guested in CGE TV, Broad Row, I Wonder, and TV5's Good Morning Kapatid with the Zumba Core dancers. She is an advocate of mental health and passionate about her faith and art. Ladies and gentlemen, the artist behind the Art on Jeans collection, Coach Ram. Okay, President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, a presidential awardee for arts of former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, Manuel Rojas awardee for arts, and once again, Miss Crystal Kaday of DZ Ballet Tutorial.
Hello, good evening. Thank you. Gusto you, CJ, our new member of the Zumba Core family. She will teach ballet to kids as young as 3 years old. So if you have a kid interested in dancing ballet, please like our page, Zumba Core Dance Art Studio and DZ Ballet Studio for more information. She is our special guest for tonight. Thank you so much for coming, Miss CG. Please give her a round of applause. Thank you.
Collection. Zumba Core Dance and Art Studio Archer 2026 Best Walk Award is awarded this 14th of March 2026 at Nomo A Vista Lifestyle Center. The winner for the best walk is
drum roll, DJ, please. The best walk or the best in Pasarela. goes to actually there's a tie between the two girls, but I am looking at the post even though they're not moving, even though you're not walking and just standing up. And the winner for best walk is Rian Raro. Please give her a round of applause.
Thank you so much, Rian. Okay, our next award, Sumbacoor Dance and Art Studio Art Show 2026, Beth and Jeans. Awarded this 14th of March 2026 at Nomo A Vista Lifestyle Center. The winner for the Best in Jeans is
The best in jeans is the one who modeled the jeans, not only her face. Again, it's tied between two girls. Can you take a look of the jeans of the monks? And the best in jeans goes to, drum roll again. Olive Grace. Congratulations, Olive.
Olive Grace Lagrosa. The next award is awarded by Sumbacoor Dance and Art Studio Art Show 2026. Awarded this 14th of March 2026 at Nomo A Vista Life Center. The award for Best Intro goes to...
And the Best in Intro goes to... Let me explain. The best in intro is the one who delivered. Wait lang po. The best in intro was the model who delivered it in a nice way. There's a nice message, a very confident way of speaking, loud enough to be heard by everybody. And the best intro goes to Joyce. Congratulations, Joyce.
And now our next award goes to the Sumbacoor Dance and Art Studio Art Show 2026, awarded this 14th of March 2026 at Nomo A Vista Lifestyle Center. The next award is the Model of the Night. This award goes to...
Okay, so the Model of the Night, actually, models, this is not a competition, this is just a special award, okay? Don't forget that we have a pageant coming up. We're not sure yet, April or May, but because you have a recital show in April 21 at a former Resorts World Manila, now Newport. So probably we will hold this May. After that, the Miss and Mr. Sumbacoor 2026. So this is just a... Okay, and all of you are winners. Can you clap your hands yourselves? I'm so proud of you guys, and all of you are winners because all of the jeans that you're wearing is already yours. It's my gift to you. Are you happy? Don't use it every day, okay? That is only for special occasions. So you can save the painting. Okay, and the model of the night is the one who showed tonight. Is a very promising model, but all of you are very promising. But the one who delivered tonight is and the model of the night is Miss Shara Baculio. Round of applause for Shara. Congratulations.
For being our special guest, awarded this 14th of March 2026 on Nomo A Lifestyle Center. So, ayan, congratulations, Miss Crystal Panoy of DZ Ballet Tutorial.
Thank you so very much, models. I love you all. You may now take your seat. Thank you so much. I'll see you again on our next event. Thank you. I love you guys. Congratulations. Once again, let us take pictures. Can you have a game? All of the mommies. Hello? Yeah. Let me call on the parents, the mommies, because this is international. And the art coach and talent coach, Zumba Coordinator. Huh? Are you okay? DJ? Okay. Okay. Zumba Coor started as a studio for dancing Zumba. That's why it's Zumba Coor in 2012. But now it has become an avenue of arts and talents. Zumba Coor Dance and Art Studio is just 10 minutes away from here. We are across 678 Market. We train and discover talents, but we prioritize on our students' well-being. This summer vacation, please help your kids or yourselves by taking a break from social media and learning new things. We have professional and passionate coaches who specializes in teaching dance, voice, modeling, personality development, arts, and acting. Art and talent workshops helps in developing social skills which the generation today needs. Let us support them in their dreams. And we at Zumba Coor, with God's grace, will help them reach their full potential. Mental health is as important as physical health. And you all need this too. Come and experience the fun at Zumba Coor Studio. I hope to see you all there soon. Summer Talent Workshop starts at March 16. So please register now and our staff will assist you. My paintings are displayed and please feel free to check it out. I am very excited to show you my latest art on jeans collection to be modeled by my modeling students. This is my
can't be me. And I am beautiful, I am strong, I am brave, I can do more, I am inspired. Yesterday I wasn't sure, I am scared that people would hate or ignore. But today I am here, standing tall, I am sure, and not scared anymore. I am smart, I am loud, I am powerful, I am young, I am hopeful, I am wonderful, I am smart, I am true. I don't care what others
Singer. She wanted to become a doctor someday. Or teacher Ram is a professional visual artist, art and English teacher, talent coach, dance instructor, performer, and composer. She represented the Philippines in the postal flag competition in Switzerland and won several awards in on-the-spot poster making and writing competition. She was a member of the Philippine Folk Act. She won CTE at its Showtime in 2012. She was featured in Kapuso Mo Jessica Soho for Tagalog version of Call Me Maybe, and also guested in CGE TV, Bronze Row, I Wonder, and TV5's Good Morning Kapatid with a Sumba Goor. Ramona Tapatas, or Teacher Ram, is a professional visual artist, art and English teacher, talent coach, dance instructor, performer, and composer. She represented the Philippines in the postal flag competition in Switzerland and won several awards in on-the-spot poster making and writing competition. She was a member of the Philippine Folk Act. She won CTE at its Showtime in 2012. She was featured in Kapuso Mo Jessica Soho for Tagalog version of Call Me Maybe, and also guested in...
Ate, picture! Video yan. Hindi, picture! Dali na yan. Ayan po yung nakita namin yung isang gabing. Kumuha po ng cellphone.